At first glance, Nepenthes looks like an ordinary exotic plant, but recent botanical studies reveal a hidden high-tech trap. Elite research shows these plants actually emit a subtle fluorescent glow to lure unsuspecting victims into their territory. They act as lethal drowning zones. Scientists recently discovered that Nepenthes dynamically regulates its own internal fluid, creating a sleek soup that breaks down insects in seconds. Once they slip inside, there is no escape. From elegant leaves to deadly engineered traps, nature's tactical warfare is mind-blowing. But what happens when a plant doesn't just wait for its prey to drown, but actively hunts with lightning speed? Enter Dionaea, the Venus flytrap. For centuries, its rapid snap puzzled biologists. However, a groundbreaking 2026 study finally unlocked the secret. The trap snaps shut in a mere tenth of a second because the plant instantly softens its outer cell walls, collapsing the leaf inward. Even more shocking, transgenic engineering proved this brainless plant has a short-term memory, utilizing a rush of calcium ions to count insect movements before attacking. Which deadly mechanism fascinates you more? Subscribe to Flora Scientia and let us know.